Anne of Green Gables. I love Anne.
Missing someone.
Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I am Molly. Today I will be doing a get ready with me as I show you how to do this look. Since summer has started, if I'm wearing makeup, then this is usually the look that I've been doing. While I'm doing my makeup, I will be answering some questions. I looked up a get to know me tag and I just took these questions from the tag. I've done a few videos on YouTube now, and so I thought this would be a great way for you to get to know me better. If you have more specific questions that you would like to know about me, leave them down in the comments section and I will definitely answer them for you. Also, I wanted to quickly mention that I did get a new camera. Yay! The quality of this video is 10 times better. On my past videos, I used my iPhone 7 Plus to film, and it was a whole process because I had to airdrop all my videos onto my MacBook and then import it into iMovie. It'll just be so much easier using an SD card, which I'm really excited about. That being said, if you want to see how I do this natural, everyday look, then keep on watching and learn more about me. The first thing that I do is I use this NYX Dark Circle Concealer underneath my eyes and also around various parts of my face just to cancel out some redness or some purple. This is a good concealer for me because I prefer a more natural finish, but if you like something very pigmented, this might not be for you. My first question is, what is your favorite genre of film and why? Recently, I've been loving zombie apocalyptic kind of movies. I just think it's really interesting to see like different people's perspectives of how the world is going to end or the end of humanity, that type of stuff. Next question is, what was your dream job as a kid? Honestly, when I was a kid, I wanted to be a teacher, and that is what I am now. Specifically, I've always wanted to be a kindergarten teacher. This past year is my first year of teaching, and I taught 3rd grade, so maybe I'll get to teach kindergarten soon. Have you moved from home? Where to, and how was your experience? Yes, I have. So in high school, I went to a Christian boarding school. That was the first time that I moved away from home. The second time I moved away from home was to college. My college was a little over an hour away from home, so it wasn't too bad. I haven't really lived at home since I was 14 because that's when I went to boarding school. I would come home for summers, but some summers I was working away from home as well. Now for foundation, I have been using Bare Minerals foundation and I have it in matte. It's the shade Golden Medium, and I've had this for about a year now, but I really haven't used it that much because when I first used it, I did not know how to apply it. And I was like, it's not even working. This year I've been playing with it again and I think I know how to do it now. Let's go to the next question. How many countries have you traveled to? So I've only traveled to 2 countries. This past winter, my family, we went on a trip to Laos. That is my parents' home country. Then after Laos, my sister and I, we spent a few days in Thailand. We didn't explore too much in Thailand because we were kind of out of money, but we just wanted to like experience the city and visit some local places, and so that's what we did, and it was really fun. I'm really excited for when I can get to go to Thailand again and really have a full experience. Here's my left side and then my right side. And this color matches me really, really well. Who is your celebrity crush? I would say my celebrity crush is Channing Tatum. It has been ever since I saw Step Up. Even today, I'm still obsessed with that movie. I just think he's a really good actor in all the films that he's been in. He's just super funny, very entertaining, but still very down to earth, and he's a really good dancer. Okay, so I think this is good. By the way, I am using this Luxie Angled Top Buffer Brush. Do you have any pets? Show them to us. I don't have any pets. I have plant pets. I really want a dog, but this apartment doesn't allow dogs. Maybe at my next place I will get a dog. Now I'm going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm just going to take a little bit and then just set under my eyes. Then a little bit where I get oily. So like my T-zone area around my nose and then my chin. For bronzer, I will be using this e.l.f. Warm Bronzer Palette. I mix these 3 shades together. What are your pet peeves? Off the top of my head, one would be chewing your gum super loudly. I just don't like it when you can hear all the saliva in someone's mouth. I really don't like that. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blush pink. I just love how it's a very romantic and vintage color. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I do. I have 9 siblings. I come from a really big family. There's 10 of us total. I have 2 brothers. Just kidding. I have 3 brothers and 6 sisters, and I am the 3rd youngest. This is my first time doing a Get Ready With Me, and there's a lot of multitasking. Thank you all for watching and bearing with me. Have you been to any concerts or festivals? I've been to a Tori Kelly concert in 2016 and she was amazing. This was before she got like really big with her songs like Hollow. I think it was her Unbreakable tour, and it was the album where she had the song with Ed Sheeran, I Was Made for Loving You. I think that's the only concert that I've been to. And I haven't been to any festivals. I would love to go to Coachella one day. We will see with everything that's going on. For blush, I'm going to be using this blush right here. It's from the Aspen Ovard and Tarte palette. I've had this for many years. Ever since it came out, I went and bought it because Aspen is one of my favorite YouTubers. Oh, and how can I forget? I can't believe I forgot this one. But last year, May 2019, I went to see BTS. Literally, my dream came true. I just did not know like how magical of an experience it could be. I have no words. They were flawless, so breathtaking. They're singing, dancing, everything. They did not disappoint. At that concert, it was so cold and it was raining. The date was May 12th. Of course, you expect sunny weather, but it was pretty cold and I wasn't really dressed for the cold weather. I think I had on like black stockings and I wore my Adidas NMDs and I wore a dress hoodie type thing and then a jean jacket. I was really cold. Now onto eyebrows. I'm currently using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, shade Ash Brown. What is one thing you wished people knew about you? I don't know. I guess maybe one thing is that I'm a really fun person on the inside. I don't think that many people would know that about me because I'm really shy. I'm an introvert. If I'm somewhere with a lot of people that I don't know, I just get closed off. I'll try my best to say hi and talk to people, but it's really hard for me to put myself out there. Because of that, people might see me as having RBF, although I don't think I have RBF. It can be hard for people to approach me, but I promise I'm really nice and I'm really fun. You all know that I'm still loving this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Mascara. So once I'm done with this, I will be getting a cruelty-free option. Dogs or cats? I'm definitely a dog person. I think dogs truly are a man's best friend. They're so loyal and they will just do anything for you. I've seen some really amazing dog videos and dog stories, so I just want a dog so bad. Don't come at me if you are a cat person, First of all, I'm allergic to cats. Because of that, I haven't had much experience with cats. And personally, I just don't think cats are really compatible with my personality. I like having a dog where I can talk to them and they can talk to me back. So I'm kind of struggling with my eyebrows today. If you can see up here, for some reason, I have a little bump up there and my eyebrow pencil isn't going over it that well, but it's fine. Sometimes my eyebrows will not cooperate. For me, eyebrows are the hardest thing anyway, so we can just move on. What is your favorite drink? My favorite drink is probably coconut water. It's just so refreshing and you just feel so good after drinking it. I also love a good smoothie, whether that's a fruit smoothie or a protein smoothie. So yum. Using this palette again, I'm going to take this High School Sweetheart color. Just going to put that all over my lid. What is your spirit animal and why? Honestly, I have a lot. My first one would probably be a dog because like I said, dogs are just so loyal. I would love to be a dog, the type of dog that's athletic and is really social, gets along with all people, because I wish I was like that in real life. It's hard for me to always be social. Recently, I've been watching a lot of documentaries on whales. I just think whales are so fascinating and they're highly intelligent. They have a part of their brain, well, I don't know if all whales do, but orcas do, the killer whale. I think they're more part of the dolphin family than the whale family, but either way, they have a part of their brain that humans do not have, and I think it helps them regulate their emotions or deal with their emotions, something like that. They're such magnificent animals. Now I'm going to take Tea Time. I'm just going to use it on the outer edges and line my lower lash line. Now I'll be taking Married Life and putting that underneath my brow bone. What is your favorite movie? I love Step Up. I already mentioned that earlier, but I can just watch that movie over and over again. I actually have the DVD of it. I love all the dancing parts in that movie. I also love A Cinderella Story with Hilary Duff and Chad Michael Murray. Hilary Duff was like my role model when I was younger. Chad Michael Murray, of course, he was every girl's celebrity crush. Another movie that's kind of silly, but I really love this movie is Teen Beach Movie. The songs are just so catchy and all the dancing. I wish I was in that movie. I'm going to take the highlighter shade here, which is Pure Soul. I'm going to put that on the inner corners of my eyes. Road Trip, and then just kind of line my eyes. For highlighter, I'm using Opal by Becca. This one is a good one, tea or coffee. I would say that I like both. I'm not really a one or the other type of person. If I just want something warm and really healing and nurturing for my soul, then I would go with tea. I love a good iced coffee. And I don't know, coffee just kind of puts you in that mood where, okay, I have to get my stuff together. So I like both. Lastly, to finish off the lips, I'm going to use this Burt's Bees 100% Natural Lip Shine. I have it in the color Pucker. It gives a little bit of pigment, but mostly shine. And then I'm just going to finish off with a little bit of highlighter on my Cupid's bow, and I will answer the last question. What is your personality type? So my personality type is INFPA, which is the mediator personality. I have it pulled up here. It says, mediator personalities are true idealists, always looking for the hint of good in even the worst of people and events, searching for ways to make things better. While they may be perceived as calm, reserved, or even shy, yes, I am shy, mediators have an inner flame and passion that can truly shine. I feel like that fits me pretty well. If you know what your personality type is, leave me a comment down below. Oh, and really quickly, it says, mediators you may know. We have William Shakespeare, Alicia Keys, Tom Hiddleston, and a few others I don't really know. Pretty cool. Oh, Anne of Green Gables. I love Anne. I love it when she says my bosom friend or kindred spirit. All right, friends, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Mwah.
Missing someone.